In this video clip, I'm going to cover the broadcast receivers in Android programming. A broadcast receiver is one of the four fundamental components in an Android app. These four components include activity. We have discussed activities before. An activity is a crucial component of the Android app. It provides the user interface for the user to interact with the app. The other components are service, content provider, and broadcast receiver. A broadcast is generated whenever something interesting happens. It may be generated by the system, for example, when the activity changes or battery is low, etc. It can also be generated by an app calling send broadcast method with an implicit intent. For example, we create an implicit intent with a custom action, call the send broadcast method to broadcast the intent. The custom action is a unique string, which is normally defined as a constant. We can also define the intent filter for it for later use. To respond to a broadcast, we must define a class that extends broadcast receiver. We use the keyword public class to define a class. We call it as myReceiver. This class must extend broadcast receiver. To extend broadcast receiver, we must override the onReceive method. If you use Android Studio to create the receiver class, the template will be set up for you. What you need to do is to comment out this statement, and write your own code. In order to respond to the broadcast intent, we also need to register the receiver. We can register the receiver in the manifest file. If you register it in this way, your app will always respond to the broadcast intent, even though your app is not running. Google does not recommend this. We can register the receiver dynamically. For example, if we only want to respond to the broadcast when the app is active, then we register it in onResume method, and then unregister it in onPause method. Here's the Java code. We create an object of the receiver, register the receiver in the onResume method, and then unregister it in the onPause method. See you next time.